Every business relies on its employees to drive success and achieve its goals. Our HR module is designed to streamline employee management, enhance efficiency, and foster a positive work environment. The HR module facilitates streamlined employee onboarding and evaluations, enhanced employee engagement, and advanced HR analytics. The HR module provides a comprehensive list of all employees registered in your organization. For any particular employee, specific HR processes can be triggered with just a click of a button. For instance, you can easily initiate the onboarding process, probation review, performance review, and employee engagement surveys. The system is designed to provide automated notifications to the subject employees and concerned managers. For instance, with reference to a performance review, emails will be sent with evaluation form links to both the employee and the manager, all in an automated and timely manner. Managers can also assign specific policies to employees, which they must adhere to. The system will automatically generate links to the relevant policies and share them with employees for thorough reading. The HR module also includes a leave management system. Employees can access the leave request form to apply for leave. An automated notification is sent to the manager for approval. Leave records, whether approved or rejected, can be accessed from the module. There is also a provision for viewing reports, offering a visual representation of employees by status and departments. Access all HR-related features conveniently through the Explorer sidebar under Human Resources. Streamline your HR management today with our comprehensive HR module.